guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have a hybrid LED motion light. Why is it called hybrid? Because you can either run it in solar mode or battery mode only, so there's no solar charging. And you have 3 modes of brightness, which I think is absolutely incredible. If you do battery mode, you would have to put 2 D-cell batteries in it, alkaline. And you have range of lumens output, 500 lumens, 1000 lumens, and 2000 lumens. So let's do a quick unboxing of this. I'm just overly impressed. There you go. It tells you I didn't open it yet. So it comes with the mounting hardware and screws. Oh, the name of the company is SOLLA. So this is a solar panel. Very nice. Looks like thin film technology. But if I would guess, probably 2.5 watt solar panel. That would be my guess from the size of it. Ooh. Look at this thing. Oh wow, you can adjust all of the heads. Oh, check that out. That is sick. This is amazing. Wow, I like the mounting bracket on this. Wait a minute. Check that out. This slides out, so you screw this to whatever you want. And then this slides in like so. Wow, very nice design. 17 feet. So this is pretty, let's see, dim. Wow, that's 2000. Look how freaking bright that is. Holy crap, screwing up the camera. So that's 500 lumens. 500, 1000, I'm sorry, 500, 2000, 1000. That's pretty impressive. Oh my god, and the motion sensor can change the direction too. Oh, that is awesome. So if you want it just to, in that direction, and then turn the lights on that way, oh, that is cool. So you mounted it someplace, but you only want the light to go in that direction. That is pretty sick. And then if like, oh, I want it to go this direction, oh, you know what? I'm going to move the sensor in this direction. Wow. Well thought out product, gentlemen. Nicely done. I'm very impressed with this product. Wow, another product that gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. That's amazing. I can't wait to mount this. This is going out tonight. Definitely. Okay. We are testing this thing out. So this is that's at full brightness. Holy Jesus Lord. That is insane. Look at that. I can leave it like this and do the review. I'm in awe. Look how bright that is. That is crazy. I literally can have this over here and used as my light for this whole thing. Holy God. Excellent. We are now complete. That's impressive. 20 seconds it stays on for. Wow, that sees a lot. That's unbelievable. Wow, what a great product. Absolutely incredible. All right, this is what the light looks like from entering the gate. Let's see. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look how much we see. This is all my cardboard that I have to burn. It's pitch black here, just so you know. That's pretty sick. I love it. Absolutely love it. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.